So this recipe is for making a quick teriyaki salmon. So nice salmon, 2 fillets, or you can use how much you want. This is for 2 fillets. I'm using Meso paste. It's a brown or red Meso paste you can buy. So it's around 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Then I'm getting some soy sauce. Light soy you can use. And adding the teriyaki sauce. You can buy it. You can use any good Japanese brand, that is best. And mix it, make an emulsion. And if you need to add pepper, a bit more spiciness, you can add pepper powder. Marinate it. Or you can use some chili flakes as well. So adding some fresh pepper powder. Salt adjust as per your liking. So for me, I just need a pinch because there is salt from the soy sauce and the teriyaki. So good enough. Marinate and keep it. For best result, you can leave at least for an hour. So it itself cures. So now what we're going to do is the marinated salmon. Just press it onto toasted black and white sesame. So how you toast it is just mix both black and white and then toast in a pan. So that's it. Now remove it carefully and then we pan fry. So I just heat up the grill pan. Make sure it's really hot. Some olive oil. Just spread it evenly, olive oil, so it's really nice hot. You can check with your hand. And now the salmon, you can put a fork and then take it off, otherwise it's very difficult to remove it. And now just leave it there, press it, let it cook. We can do the same for the next fillet as well. Now we need to slowly turn it, not to break. Nicely crushed, crispy. You can turn this as well. So both sides are turned. The best way to cook a salmon, you can see from the side. Once the side turns white, so only halfway through you turn it. Then take it off. That means the salmon is best cooked when you say medium, or medium rare is the best, or medium cooked salmon is the best way. So you cook it and leave it to rest and it will be juicy. So now to present, I just got some sauted vegetable with some turmeric and onion and garlic. Just easy, you can follow one of my other recipe. Now just place the salmon on the top. See, it's really tender, that's why just breaking off. But nice, that's it. Now enjoy.